number four, conditional statements, if and if. Number one, bus fare system. Ito yung output. Ito naman yung code. First line, piniprint lang ulit yung title. And then, hinihingi yung age and destination zone is zone 1, 2, or 3. So, this part naman, since dito hiningi yung zone ng user. If yung zone ni user is 1, yung fare is 20 pesos. If zone 2 naman, 30 pesos and zone 3, 40 pesos. Kung invalid zone naman, yung fare is 0 and i-print na yung invalid zone number. If yung age is less than 5, mag-print yung free ride and yung fare niya is 0. So, may ganito pa since sa dulo, i-print rin yung your fare is blank. So, balik tayo dito. Kung yung age naman is 5 to 18 years old, may 50% off sila. So, so 0.5 since yung decimal ng 50% is 0.5. I-print naman yung you get a 50% discount. And then next naman is yung sa senior. If Elif age is greater than 60, fare is 0.7. So 0.7 is equal to 30% discount. Next, otherwise, no discount applied. And then, dito naman sa last one, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, i-print lang yung fare nila with yung 0.2f naman is yung 2 decimal places. Lab number 4, part 2, GPA to letter grade converter. So, here is the output. And then, here's the code. Wait, lagyan ko lang ulit ng title. GPA to letter converter. So, etong first line yung ilalagay ko. Piniprint lang ulit yung output. And then, second line, hinihingi lang yung GPA is 0 to 4.0. So, float, since may decimal, nakita naman sa 4.0. So, kung 3.6 is less than or equal to GPA, and GPA is less than or equal to 4.0, grade is equivalent to 8. Next, same lang din, if pero 3.0 is less than or equal to GPA, and GPA is less than or equal to 3.59, and then yung grade naman is B. Same lang dito. For C and D. So, else F. And then yung F naman is for failed grade. For example, 0.8. So, F na yon. So, sa last part naman, piniprint lang yung final. Kung ano yung grades mo dito. Bale, na-convert niya na to letter. Your letter grade is so third one, ATM withdrawal validator. Here's the output. Ito naman yung code. Wala din siyang title. Lagyan ko lang ulit. So, first line, piniprint lang ulit yung title. And then, second line, tatanungin lang kung magkano yung i-withdraw. And then, if amount is greater than 20,000, ito-print yung stage init. If amount modulo 100 not equal to 0, ito-print naman yung invalid amount. And then, otherwise, ito-print yung transaction success.